Starting at the front, we're going to use some force to get this down. Careful, this is all one piece. So we're going to try and not break this plastic at the bottom here. And you might want to use a thicker spudger because this requires supposedly a decent amount of force. The finger here on the left. This is made easier by the fact that I have multiple pry tools. And we have a wide one here to distribute force nicely. Come on. There we go, looks like it popped out. Now this popped out and open up a tiny little gap in the right here, through which we can get a pry tool, get another pry tool, get another pry tool, two undone. 3 undone. We're leveraging it this way. So be careful, there's a plastic clip here that breaks off. The next steps are easy. Reinstalling this trim. Simply a series of clips that are mostly there. Installation is much easier than removal.